Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So a little bit of a disclaimer. I got a new light that I'm still working on. It from Amazon. It's a portable like mini light. So I don't know. I'm still kind of working with it to see how I like it so far. I think it's great. I just need to play around with it a little bit more, I think. A little bit late on doing this video so I'm finally getting around to doing it. So here are my September favorites. I have a lot of favorites this time. It's crazy. Stuff that I haven't used in a while that I've been using for throughout the month of September that I've been loving again. So let's get into it. So first we're actually going to be starting with books. Okay, so for the books, I've been loving the Ascendant series by Jennifer A. Nelson. These books are amazing. I just finished this one. This one is the second book in the series. I didn't show the first one, but this is the second one. The first one is called Runaway King, and then no, sorry. The first one is called False Prince, and then the second one the second one is called Runaway King. Like I said, I just finished this one maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite books. Oh, this entire series right now, actually. So, and then the third book is The Shadow Throne. I'm actually currently reading this one right now. I just started the first chapter maybe like right after I finished the other one, or the second one, and I don't know how I feel about this one yet. I love her writing, so I know that this one is going to be very, very good. So this is the fourth one, and I think she is still writing the series, so this one is technically not the last. I just don't have this one, or the current ones that she is writing right now. But yeah, this is the fourth one, and I'm so excited to read this one as well. Okay, next let's go into skincare. So this first item I actually haven't tried yet, but I heard it's really, really good, and I'm really excited to try it. I wasn't sure if I should fit it in this or put it in this video, but I did want to because I really do love Naturium products. So this is the Naturium Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. I am so excited to start using this. The only thing I don't like about packaging like this is the little like lid that it comes with. This is what it looks like. At first, I thought there was another lid on it or something, and then I touched it, and then it's like a very like creamy balm. I really do like it, and I'm so excited to use it. I'm actually going to use it tonight to remove my makeup. Next is something that I got on Amazon that I'm so excited about because I don't like. Okay, so anyway, it's the Sky Iceland Hydro Cooling Firming Eye Gels. So normal like under eye patches, they like are very watery or very gel-like, and they slip on me all the time. And when I found these were actually used by Nikki LaRose, and when she was talking about these and when she used them, I think when she was doing makeup on Ellie Glines, I was like, that did it for me. So I purchased them, and I love them. I only have what pack? How many? 12 pairs. I only have 4 left, and I want to save these for when I do my little like camp routine for my birthday. So I'm gonna like hide these until my birthday so I can use them on my birthday. Okay, this next product I wanted to combine when I'm showing you this because these two are a match made in heaven. They are amazing together. Which two different formulas, but pretty much does the same exact thing. So this is the ITK Blemish Treatment Mist, which is so popular, I heard, and it really is such a great blemish mist. I've never tried anything like this. And so this is what this one looks like. And then now they have a spot cream. So this is the blemish spot cream. This is pretty much this, but in a squeezy tube and in a gel form. And I've been seeing, I have obviously have been seeing improvements in my blemishes with this and also this now, which is amazing. I don't know if I should put this in my skincare category for the favorites or my makeup because it's technically both. So this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I only have the mini size, I love this. I'm not going to dip into it because I am wearing nails. That's what it looks like. I've been starting to use this one again, and I really do love it to prep the skin. It's amazing. And this is actually my first Bobbi Brown product, and I love it. It is so nice. Okay, now I have some fragrance to share. So this first one is the Paloma Picasso perfume. I love this one. I thought it does smell a little bit like old lady-y. That's what I thought, but I think it's fine. I mainly use this one for special occasions, and then this one I actually use for every day. It's my favorite perfume. This is the Dolce & Gabbana perfume in Lily. Love the flower on top of it. It is so pretty. I love the smell of this. All right, now let's go into makeup. Or actually, let's do makeup last. So now I'm going to talk about nail stuff. So this first one is I bought on Amazon the Jodsone, I think it's called. I don't know, Jodsone gel polish. It had like 90 gel polishes, and this is just one of them. I'm actually wearing the shade on my nails right now, and it's so pretty. It's only focusing on my hand. You can kind of see. Oh, look, there we go. Looks like that. It is so pretty. I love the shade for fall. It's so nice. Okay, next we have the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover. After doing my Gel X nails, I've been really enjoying this cuticle remover. I haven't tried any of the other ones, but I do really like this one. It really nicely removes the cuticle, and it's amazing. Okay, next is the Kiara Sky. This is actually from the Dip French Tip Kit. This is a nourishing oil, and I've been loving to use this specific nail oil for when I do my nails at home. Okay, next we have gel tips that I wanted to talk about that are that I absolutely love. This is the Apres Gel X nail tips in natural round medium. I love these. These are actually the tips that I'm wearing right now. I'm not a huge fan of the round shape, so I just cut them shaped them into a square, and I absolutely love them. They're so pretty. This next thing I want to share is a French tip nail guide sticker. I forget how many are in this one too. There's like about 500 of these, and I love using them. They're so easy to use, just like sticking on and creating a French tip with this. Okay, so I only have a little bit of body care, but I did forget a couple things. All right, now for body care. So I've talked about this one before. This is a dry brush. This is from Osea, and I love this dry brush. I love the shape of it. I have been using it for a while again, and it's my favorite dry brush. I have used other ones from like Bath and Body Works that I did not like because it had like little silicone like nubs kind of in it, and I didn't like that. I like that this one is just the bristles, and it's really nice. Another Osea product that I've been loving is the Osea Undaria Algae Body Wash. It's my favorite body wash. I like that it's not glass like the body oil, because obviously it has to be in your shower and you don't want it to break. So I think that this body wash is so nice. It does smell like the body oil, and it is amazing. So speaking of the body oil, this is also from Osea. This is the Undaria Algae Body Oil. And again, like I said, it has the same scent, and it is my favorite body oil. I have like a big tub from Jafra of a body oil, and I did not like, it smelled like almond extract. I do still use it, but I love this one a lot more. It's amazing. Okay, next we have the Undaria Algae Body Butter, and this is also from Osea, and all three of these Undaria products have the same scent. I love this scent. I sometimes use this for when I'm doing my nails, and sometimes I do use it after I take my shower or a bath, and I absolutely love this body butter. It's really good. Okay, now time for the fun part. Now we're gonna get into makeup. So I wanted to talk about this one first because, I don't know, I feel like I still want to use it and still love it because it was kind of late to the game on purchasing this specific powder. This is the Givancy Prisme loose powder. This is the original formula. I don't think I am going to buy the original or the new formula. I think I'm just going to stick to this one. And again, like I said, I was late to the game on purchasing this powder. I mean, I love this powder. This powder is amazing, but again, so expensive. But I am just going to stick to this one. And I don't know if they are discontinuing this powder, the original formula. If they are, I'm gonna be so sad because this is my only purchase of this product, and I definitely want to repurchase it when I run out of it because it's such a great powder. I love this powder. Another Another primer that I've been loving recently is the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I tried the one in the little like jar or the little tube or the pot, and I loved that one. That one was my favorite. And when they came out with this one, I was so excited. I only use this in the T-zone, and it's so good. I absolutely love this primer. Next, I actually purchased a new shade of the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I have the shade Endless Cacao, and I absolutely love this shade. It is so nice. I definitely would only use this one. Where's the name? Oh, this one, and it's upside down. As a primer. As a eyeliner, and then I have two other shades that I would normally use as a lip liners. They're amazing. I do really love these pencils. Next is from the same line, but two different products. So we first have the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. This one is in 1.5N. I love this foundation. This foundation is my favorite. And then I also have the Dior Backstage Flash Perfector Concealer. This one is in the shade 1W, and I'm wearing actually the concealer today, and I love the way it looks. It's so pretty. Love these two together as well. They're amazing together. And then a new mascara that I recently purchased from YSL. Yeah, YSL. This is the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. I have the shade Black. I love this mascara. I'm actually wearing it right now, and it's my #1 favorite mascara. And I do love to pair it with the Dior Show Maximizer Lash Primer, and these two together are crazy good, and I absolutely love these two together. Next, we have another foundation that I've only used once, but I definitely do want to start using it again. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. I feel like I would use this more for like a special occasion makeup or sometimes maybe like an evening out, but I do really love this foundation. It's amazing. Okay, next I have the L'Oreal Lumiglotion. I have the shade 902. It's amazing. I'm actually wearing it underneath my makeup right now, and it gives such a great glow to the skin, and I absolutely love it. It's so nice. I should have purchased this a long time ago because it's just so good. Okay, next we have some blushes. So these are from Revie Beauty, the 3 blush shades that I've been using like non-stop for every single makeup look that I've been doing. Let's see, which one do I have today? I have the shade Daydream on right now. I have actually 2 other blushes. I love this shade, it's so pretty. And I also did want to include the brush that it comes with, or comes with it. I guess I did because it came in a bundle, but this is the Revie Beauty blush brush. This brush is my new favorite for applying powder blush. It's just so good. I love how soft this brush is. It's just amazing. So last but not least, here is a brush set that I've been using since I purchased it. I do sometimes use other brushes, but these brushes I have not put down since I purchased it, like I said, and they're my absolute favorite brushes. These are the Nikki LaRose and BK Beauty brushes. I am obsessed with these brushes. These brushes are my favorite. They're so good, so easy to use, definitely multi-purpose, and they're just amazing. I love them. They're so good. So that was all of my favorite things that I've been loving through the month of September. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one.